Hi guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be doing a review about the instruments na pinadala sa akin ng Hricane. So actually, matagal na itong pinadala sa akin. That was March 16 to be exact. And na-receive ko siya nung last week Wednesday and that was September 19. Ayan. O diba? So March, April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. Like, oh, grabe, ang tagal nun, diba? So, lagi na lang ako pumupunta dun sa post office na, ma'am, andyan na ba yung package ko, ganito, ganyan. Kasi parang hindi na din nag-update yung tracking system. And, ayun, grabe, 6 months siya sa customs and hindi ko alam kung anong problema nila sa package ko. Pero feeling ko gusto nilang magbayad ako ng malaking tax. And, ayun, nireport ko yung nangyari sa package ko sa President's Hotline, yung 8888, basta 4 na 8. So, ayun, so yung may mga concern regarding sa mga package nyo from abroad, pwede nyong i-report sa kanila para mapabilis yung pag-forward ng package from customs to your local post office. So, enough with the background of my package. So, let's just move on to the review. So, ito yung ukulele na pinadala nila and the bag is slim. As you can see, sobrang nipis niya. And, teka, ito yung gig bag ng concert ko and ito yung gig bag ng bagong ukulele ko from Hricane. Ayan. O, diba? Ito, parang may bulsa siya na parang naka-protrude dyan. And then, this one is parang, ayan lang siya. And then, the same thing, may Hricane na logo. And on the back of the bag, ayan. So, isang ano na lang siya. So, para siyang sling type. Ganon. Whereas this one is backpack yung style. So, bago natin buksan yung bag, tignan natin kung ano yung laman ng zipper na to. So, ayan. So, the same thing. We have here the Hricane pouch. Velvet black pouch. Ayan. And then, may logo siya. Then, we also have the fiber cloth. Still in the green color. And then, we also have some extra strings. Ayan, so in case na maputulan kayo ng strings, so merong extra dito sa pouch na to. Okay? So balik natin siya dito. Wala na ba ibang laman to? Ayan, wala na. Ito lang talaga yung laman ng zipper. So let's move on to the ukulele. By the way, the size of this ukulele is tenor. So this is my first ever tenor ukulele. Kasi meron ako soprano and concert lang. So ayun. And this is the ukulele. As you can see, super nipis niya, guys. Look at that. Ayan. Diba? And this is the front design. Meron siyang parang cut style dito. And then, ito yung likod. Look at the wood. And then, arched back. Ayan. So, hindi siya yung flat lang talaga na ganun. Medyo pa-curve siya ng konti dito. And, look at the design sa fretboard. Para siyang cross. Ayan. And then, eto din yung headstock. Ayan. So, this is the entire ukulele body. And then, meron din siyang para lalagyanan ng strap dito. But, the problem is, wala siya dito. So, siguro, eto yung purpose ng, itong tali na to. So, ilalagay nyo siya dito. Ayan. So, kasama pala itong strap, guys. Okay? I forgot to mention it. So, the gig bag, the pouch, the green fiber cloth, the extra strings, the strap, and the ukulele. So, ito yung kasama sa package. Ayan. And then, I guess this one is para itatali nyo siya dito. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Basta, feeling ko itatali niya siya dito. Wait. No! Ayan, siguro ganito. Ayan. Itatali niya siya dito. No? Ayan. Okay. So, this is the strap. Hindi ko alam kung sakto. Pero, feeling ko, okay naman siya. Pero, medyo sagabal lang ito. Kasi wala siyang yung dito sa gilid. So, ayun. Tanggalin muna natin to. And let's try to play some songs on this ukulele. So, tono muna natin siya. guys. Ayan, o, diba? Ang ganda ng tunog niya. And, let's compare it to our concert ukulele. Teka. So, when we compare these two ukuleles, we have here the concert and this one is the tenor. So, as you can see, mas mahaba ang neck ng tenor. Diba? Ayan. And then, yung distance from here to here, sa kada fret, mas okay to pang beginner. Whereas this one, tenor ukulele has wider frets. And so, mas okay din itong tenor if malaki talaga yung kamay mo and if you're a professional ukulele player. So, this one is much okay, siguro. And then, ayan. Diba? So, classical ukuleles, ganito yung parang, ano niya, yung thickness sa body. Whereas this one, eto, mas modern yung style kasi mas manipis. Tignan nyo, parang kalahati lang, diba? Ayan, sobrang nipis niya. And then, eto, medyo parang, hindi naman siya curve, parang konti. Pero, this one, ayan, tignan nyo na mabuti. Arched back design. Diba? Look at that. So, specifications for the travel tenor Deadwood ukulele. So, yung size niya, 27 inches because it's a tenor ukulele. Body material is spruce. And then, the back and the side material is Deadwood. Ayan, Deadwood. Ito yung itsura niya. Medyo similar siya sa kowa, pero iba talaga siya. Ayan, so this is Deadwood. Ayan. This one is the spruce one. And then, fingerboard material, walnut. Walnut yung kahoy. And, nut and saddle material. This is real bone. Di ko alam kung anong bone ito. Bone ba ng tao or ng hayop or I don't know. And then the finish is satin. Number of frets, we have 18 frets all in all with this ukulele. And then the package, ayun, package includes the gig bag, the ukulele, the strap, the pouch, the fiber cloth, and the extra strings. So, para sa mga nagtatanong kung saan nyo po ito mabibili, then this ukulele is available sa Shopee. Search nyo lang yung Hricane na store sa Shopee. They sell ukulele guitars and also ring lights. So, para sa mga aspiring vloggers, when you need a good lighting, Hricane is also selling ring lights. And this one, yung price niya is 5,230. So, free shipping na yan, guys. So, and if you like to purchase this, then just click the link on the description box below. So, Hricane sent me two instruments. The first one is the slim ukulele, yung pinakita ko kanina. And then the second one is a 6-string guitar. Ay, kita-kita talaga yung ring light, eh, no? Ayan, no? Super shiny niya, man. I'm not really an expert of guitars, but Hricane, thank you so much for this very beautiful guitar. As in, sobrang ganda niya talaga. Like, hindi biro itong guitar na to, man. Look at that. Look at the wood. Super shiny. And then yung headstock niya. Grabe. Super crush talaga ito, man. Teka. Look at that. Hricane. So, super bigat niya. And para siyang anak niya yung kanina, yung tenor na ukulele. Kasi yung design niya is parang may cut din siya dito. Ayan. Okay. And then, meron din siyang lalagyanan ng strap. Ayan. And also the end pin. That one. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung strap ng ukulele. Ilalagay nyo siya dito kasi okay lang naman. Yeah. Ayan yung tunog niya. Siguro, eto na talaga yung panahon na kailangan ko maging legit na gitarista. Kaya nga ako nag-ukulele kasi I'm a frustrated guitarist. But anyway, let's just play some songs in this ukulele. Guitar! Ayan. Ukulele na naman yung utak ko, eh. 1, 1, 2, 3, go. Scrolling through my cell phone. Teka, wag na nga lang. I'm scrolling through my cell phone for the 20th time today. I'm reading text you sent me again, though I memorized it anyway. And it was an afternoon in December, and you reminded me of the day when we bumped into each other. But you didn't say hi, 'cause I looked away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night, 'cause it's 12:51, and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, I'm not thinking with you again. And the moon shines so bright, and I gotta dry this tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on, and I can't move on to this song any longer. Whoa, whoa, any longer. Di mo lang alam, nasa isip kita. Pagkasakali lang maisip mo ako, di mo lang alam hanggang sa gabi na I forgot the lyrics. Anyway, let's just read the description and the full specification about this lovely guitar from Hricane. So, yung size niya is 41 inches. Ayan, diba? Sobrang laki. It's a guitar. And then the top is solid spruce top. Ayan, spruce top, but very shiny spruce top. And then the back and the sides is walnut plywood. So, walnut ba yung kanina? Ah, yung sa ukulele, walnut yung fretboard niya. Pero yung likuran at yung sides niya is deadwood. Well, this one is walnut yung dito and yung likod. And then, the neck is mahogany. Ayan, so mahogany itong neck na to. Fingerboard. This one, okay. I guess this one is the mahogany. And then, this one, the fretboard or the fingerboard is walnut wood. The same with the sides and the back. And then the nut and the saddle is still bone. Headstock is rosewood. This one is rosewood. Electronics, none. Because wala siyang pick-up. Sad to say, wala siyang pick-up. Ayan. Ito lang talaga yung sides niya. Yan. Diba? Pinapahirapan ko lang sarili ko. Ang bigat-bigat niya. And then, overall instrument length, ayan, 41 inches. Sound hole length, 100 millimeter. And then, yung mga, na. You can purchase this guitar sa kanilang official website, which is www.hricane.com. And this guitar cost mga $355.99 USD or United States dollars. And when you convert that to Philippine peso, that will be 18,557.94. I know it's a bit costly, but it's really worth the price. Look at the design. And then, ayun nga lang, kulang lang siya ng pickup. Okay na sana, kasi wala siyang pickup. So anyway, before I end this video, I want to give a big shout out to Hricane, especially to Joy and Homer for sending me this very lovely instruments. And ayun, I hope na nag-enjoy ko sa video na to as much as I do. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Hey guys! Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.